Hey, Colorado homeowner, in the market for a new roof? Before you sign a contract with a roofer, make sure you're asking the right questions to ensure you're getting the best service. Today, we'll walk you through the 7 essential questions to ask a roofer before signing that contract. Let's dive in. Question 1. Are you licensed and insured? The first question to ask is whether the roofer is licensed and insured. A professional roofer should have the proper licenses to operate in your area and insurance to protect you from liability in case of accidents. Question 2. Can you provide references or reviews? Next, ask for references or check online reviews. This will give you an idea of their past work and customer satisfaction. Happy customers are a good sign of reliable service. Question 3. What's your experience with this type of roof? Roofing isn't one size fits all. Ask about their experience with your specific type of roof. Whether it's shingles, metal, or tile, ensure that they have the expertise for the job. Question 4. Do you offer a warranty? Make sure to ask about warranties. A good roofer will offer a warranty on both their workmanship and the materials used. This guarantees you peace of mind knowing your roof is protected. Question 5. What's your estimated timeline? Timing is crucial, especially if you're planning around other projects or weather conditions. Ask for an estimated timeline to understand how long the project will take. Question 6. Can you provide a detailed estimate? Transparency in pricing is essential. Ask for a detailed estimate that breaks down the costs for labor, materials, and any additional fees. This helps avoid unexpected expenses. Question 7. How will you protect my property? Lastly, ask how they'll protect your property during the project. This includes safeguarding your landscaping, driveway, and ensuring a thorough cleanup after the job is done. There you have it, the 7 questions to ask your roofer before signing a contract. Asking these questions will help you choose a reliable professional roofer and ensure your roofing project goes smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips, and metal up!